Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful, sporty 2020 Kia Soul GT line. This is the top trim level for the Kia, and the GT line is amazing. If you're not getting a GT line, I don't know if you're getting a Kia Soul correctly, because this is absolutely stunning with all kinds of little pop-up features and little Easter eggs all around. But I mean, one is just the matching red center cap there on these Goodyear tires, 18-inch wheels. Looks really nice, complements it very well. And then, can't really see it on the video, but you'll see it at different angles. But this has one of the most beautiful pearl whites I've ever seen. I mean, especially on a Kia, it's just really amazing. And then this front grille is something to really not take for granted, because this is such a neat grille for this car. It has these nice little logos here, and it really looks beautiful. It says the GT line, and then it has the fog lights, and then the nice red stripe with this really beautiful brushed silver, and then it has the brushed silver on those pieces there too, and then plenty of venting and very handsome styling with these nice headlights. Got that pinched look. So many car companies are going with that look, and that's what's so popular and current in the 2020s on these vehicles. But powered by a nice 2.0 four-cylinder engine, very punchy, very responsive. I mean, you can see that beautiful pearl right there. Very gorgeous. Got some paint peeling right here, a little on the roof, a little on the doors. So I mean, that's kind of throughout a little portion here and there of the vehicle. But as you can see, that nice red GT line stripe there across the kick panel. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors. We have a nice two-tone smoke and pet-free interior. Have the Kia Soul floor mats at the wheel locks, and then the factory owner's manual. And then this is such a beautiful feature right here. Just a very nice soft touch, great new age look there, very geometric, symmetrical look, just awesome. I mean, with this nice brushed silver against the black, this large touchscreen stereo now, amazing. With Bluetooth, HD radio, rear backup camera, satellite radio, ice cold AC. We have dual 12-volt charging ports, USB connectivity, push to start, multiple drive modes, automatic transmission. And with the drive modes, you can go from sport to comfort, eco. You have all kinds of options there. Have illuminated vanity mirrors, and that activates with a switch. And then we have LED room lighting for our map lights, and then our dome light up there, power sunroof. And it's just a very nice, clean vehicle with tinted windows. And I'm telling you, these GT line wheels really set this one apart. And I mean, you can see that nice kick panel red there. Just, it's those small touches. These are those Easter eggs that really make this car one really unique Kia. Split fold 60/40 rear seats, so you have plenty of room. And then you can see that geometrical pattern there. And then a little bit of that paint peel like we talked about. And then for the back here, we have this nice glossy diffuser down here. And, you know, the points come down and just gives it that sportiness to really make the Kia Soul a very sporty looking vehicle. Nice privacy shade shelf there. And then our rear backup camera is actually mounted very low in that rear hatch. As you can see, a little more of that peeling there, a little scuff here on the rear bumper. But separated roof line, so it gives it that floating roof. And then you have the Soul logo embedded there with the black shark fin antenna for your satellite radio. So again, those are those small touches like I was talking about before. And then all our power windows, locks, mirrors, and then automatic for the driver front. It does come with keyless smart entry, so you can tap the door handle to gain access to the vehicle with just having the key fob in your pocket. So here we have our interior illumination, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, auto start stop that you can turn on or off, because that's a love-hate for a lot of people. Automatic headlights, daytime running lights, fog lights, LED on those, and then front and rear interval wipers. We get a leather wrapped steering wheel that's in perfect condition, GT line logo down here. Multi-function steering wheel to include our voice command, Bluetooth, stereo controls, and then cruise control over here. as well as our info on the front center dash up here on the speedometer. So we get front crash warning, we get adaptive cruise control, and no warning lights on the dash. See our lane departure there, and then we can go into our driver's assistance settings, and then your fuel economy, drive info, and then it's nice because it displays the speed. You get the outside temperature there too. It actually has your attention level, it keeps you on a monitor in case you're letting go of the wheel too much. So these driver assistance systems are getting smarter and smarter, and it just really, I mean, it's a blast to drive, it's a joy to drive. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly, but here we can activate that lane keep assist on or off, and then blind spot on or off, and then we also can activate that auto start stop on and off as well too. Here's our rear backup camera, and it does have the turning lines there as you turn the wheel, so that's a nice feature. And then our stereo, and then we have our apps, our menus, Bluetooth connectivity. So lots of good stuff here. So you can download, it's got the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So that integrates your phone suite for GPS navigation. It's really a nice feature. If you haven't experienced it, it's just really, really nice. But 101,000 original one-owner miles. It's a one-owner Kia Soul. Everything's properly working. We get those multiple drive modes, so we get that sport and normal. It gets amazing fuel economy, and it's such a good-looking car. I mean, the Kia Soul has transformed into this sporty, just amazing, beautiful-looking vehicle. And I mean, even down to the key, you know, they have everything just here on one side of the key, so you can just hold it and just use your thumb, or you can use that keyless smart entry to access the car. But I mean, look at this. What a presence this vehicle has. One owner, 2020. We have such good cars coming in. A lot of new cars, so if you're looking to upgrade your ride, I mean, we get some of the cleanest vehicles on the west coast of Florida for used cars, and we price them so fairly to where you're not paying these big markups. So come down and see us, connect with us online. You can find this beautiful 2020 Kia Soul GT line exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.